Hello friends, this video is going to be for about repairing a microwave. This microwave is a Frigidaire over the range type that it's power, and the power it's taken from that receptacle. Time is there. We know power it's in the unit, but every time I key in a time, it doesn't the heating source doesn't kick in, so it's just start timing down. Like for example, right now if I key in like 10 seconds, 11 seconds, I do a start, the light comes on, but there's no, I don't hear the noise of the heating source, and logically nothing gets hit. Countdown, come down, nothing. So I had watched videos in YouTube, and there's a good video that shows that maybe the faulty part is a sensor, that it's a switch sensor that detects the door, the door, and it's part of the electrical system, that if it's the door does not sense close, it doesn't engage the full circuit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the power from the unit, and I'm gonna have access. I'm gonna get access to those switches which are behind this panel. The first thing that I'm gonna do is remove the grill. This grill. This is not the first time I've done it. I already replaced it once last year. You remove this grill. This grill has 3 little screws right here, and it gets removed. Once you remove it, then it exposes a mounting screw for the entire panel, which is here. I'm gonna remove it, and it swings this way. Then you had to kind of work the base out. It's supported by some kind of latching on plastics tabs. You're just gonna have to work the way out. First, I'm gonna get down to business, and I'm gonna remove everything, and I'll be back. I removed the grill. Now I need to remove this screw, so the whole panel will come off. Get it off. Once I do that, then this unit comes loose, but it's still held by this tab right here. So I need to put it sideways and then pull it back to get access to all these connections. All these connections, I'm gonna have to undo them, and then I had to get to this part where it holds the switches. I disconnect all the harnesses and finally free the panel. I kind of did it quick because I've done it a couple times. There's this bracket right here that holds 3 switches. The switch that I had troubleshoot, that may be the bad part right here, is the one at the bottom. In order to get there, I'll need to remove these 2 screws to get the bracket out, then remove every wire from those switches so I can get to it. Okay, I removed the 2 switches from here. Now I had to, the switch bracket is supported by this clip and this other clip. I got the switch bracket out with the switches, and now it's right here on the countertop. This bracket has 3 switches. The door is detected with these 3 switches. Last week that I get to it, I think this was the bad switch. So what I did is I went ahead and got me a replacement switch, and I bought 2 on eBay, which are here. They were $5 a piece. I ordered 2 just in case. because ironically, this one that I'm replacing is the one that I bought last year from eBay too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, replace it, and then connect it and see what happened. It's back in place. Now I had to put these wires back in the control panel. Push them back and reverse. Actually, after connecting that, hang the panel right here, connect all the wires, screw it back over here, and then put the vent back in place. We'll see you then. I'll put everything back. The grill, the panel. So now it's time to plug it in. Power. I see there's power. Oh, here I go. Oh yeah, I can hear it running. It's timing down. Let me put a stop to it right now, and let me put a cup with water and see if it heats it up. It should be able to. Oh yeah, hot water. Well, so I hope this video helped you. I'm pretty sure most of the brands maybe use the same principle. Switches detecting the door. That was the case this time. Hopefully it lasts longer than the first time. And this is the switch. Thank you for watching the video.